Why do people leave? They don't leave jobs because of money. They don't leave relationships because of one fight. They leave because they feel unappreciated. What we're seeing here is a deep human connection problem. And if we don't fix it, we will lose people. We will lose employees, partners, friends, family, the people who matter most to us. So today, let's talk about how to fix this. But before we do that, I'd like to share some statistics with you. 79% of employees who quit said they didn't feel valued, according to Gallup. Companies that show appreciation have 31% lower turnover rates and 23% higher profits, according to Forbes. People who feel valued are 4.6 times more likely to do their best work, according to the Harvard Business Review. Marriages fall apart because people feel unseen. Friendships fade because people feel unappreciated. Families drift apart because we assume that our family members know we care. And that's the mistake. We assume people already know. We think, of course, they know I appreciate them. But unspoken appreciation is unseen appreciation. Let me repeat that. Unspoken appreciation is unseen appreciation. And that is where we lose people. But we can fix it. And it's not that complicated. But a lot of times we simply forget to do it. So here's step number one, say it every single day. If you think of something good about someone, say it right then. Don't wait. You can say, I see you. I appreciate you. We wouldn't be the same without you. A 5-second sentence can change everything at work, at home, with friends, with family. Number two, give credit publicly. The best leaders don't just take credit, they give it away. If someone does great work, say their name in a meeting. If your partner did something kind, tell them in front of others because public appreciation hits differently. Number three, make it a daily habit. At first, it may feel strange, but the more you do it repetitively, it becomes second nature. A good way to start doing this is to send reminder notes to yourself. Send a note to yourself saying, reminder, thank one person today. You could also send a reminder to yourself. Reminder, send a quick text saying, hey, I appreciate you. Or you could leave a note on someone's desk. Or you could leave a sticky note on the fridge. Send a voicemail. It takes seconds, but you can change someone's life. When you start showing up this way, things change. The way you feel about yourself and your relationships with other changes because you start to feel good about yourself and the fact that you appreciate people. And that makes you show up differently. Watch and see how people start to act different towards you, how they show up. Do they reciprocate? Do they smile? Do they feel grateful that you see them, that you appreciate them? That will deepen and strengthen human connection. You become the type of person people stay for. You want a better team, a better family, a better life? Be the person who makes others feel valued. Be the person who never lets effort go unnoticed. Be the person who people don't want to walk away from because appreciation isn't a soft skill. It's a superpower. And the best part is that it costs nothing, but it changes everything. And here's the thing, you also deserve to be appreciated. What you'll see happening is that as you appreciate people, they will, in general, appreciate you back. And if they don't do that, then you have some reevaluation to do, meaning, is this someone that you want to cultivate a deeper relationship, or is this someone with whom you have a more transactional type of relationship? Whatever the answer is, Do not let it stop you from appreciating people and being that person. I have a challenge for you. Who is one person you plan to appreciate today? Drop appreciation in the comments. Send that person a message. Say the words. Let's start a ripple effect where we appreciate others, create deeper connections, and a more fulfilling life. Before you go, hit the like button if this hit home and subscribe for more leadership and personal growth content. What we're doing is building a community that uplifts one another. Together, we can create deeper and more meaningful relationships. I'll see you in the next video.